right, so let's come into our meditation today. Thank you so much for your insights. And our meditation today, it's all about our lunar cycle theme for this month in June to July, and it's all about the heart. And of course, you know, when we started actually brainstorming for this workshop, it's all about healing of the heart, right? All right, so Dorinda, please take it away.
So you're just going to settle in a little bit. I'm just going to start with this. So you're just going to relax. You're going to get yourself extremely relaxed, being aware of your posture. Just being aware of your shoulders, your body, what you're sitting on, the surface that you're sitting on. You're following each in-breath and each out-breath. You're aware of the soles of your feet. And with each out-breath, the energy is flowing down your feet. You're following it and flowing with it as it flows down your feet, down into the earth, deep into the earth. And just be aware with each out-breath how much deeper you can go into the earth. Just noticing and just taking it deeper. So you're just listening to your in-breath, holding it at the top, and then slowly breathing out, flowing it down your body through the soles of your feet and out, deep into the earth. Gently, with your next in-breath, pausing at the top, just holding it, slowly breathing out, flowing it down, deep into the earth. Once again, bring it up and holding, and slowly breathing out, flowing it down. Roots are flowing down from your feet. That next breath in, noticing your shoulders slightly rising, your heart lifting a little bit. And as you're breathing out once again, flowing deep into the earth. And with each in-breath, you're pausing at the top, holding it, slowly breathing out. Flowing out, root, and you're just letting go with each out. You're not letting any breath go unnoticed. You're staying current and in flow. This is your time. This is you. You're connecting in now. And everything that no longer serves you, it's no longer vibrationally in tune with you, just flows through the soles of your feet and deep into the earth. And you're just allowing that rising up of you're flowing it, flow out again, out your hands, as well as down your center of your body, through your feet and into the earth. Flowing this next breath in, as it's circulating up, into the top of your head, across your shoulders, down your arms, and it flows down your center of your body, through your feet, deep into the earth. And each time you're exhaling, you're slowly releasing your mind. And you're saying, I let go, I let go, I let go. Just be aware now, it's like a wave around you. It's like a beautiful circle around you of energy. So with each out breath, I let go, I let go, I let go. The circle starts to expand out away from you. It's like the pebble in the pond. It ripples out, a wave of energy. A wave from your physical body, your physical heart. It's waving out. I let go, I let go, I let go. And taking your energy and your attention, just staying with that. With each out breath, I let go. Everything that's been in your mind is just flowing out. Just thinking now above you, taking your attention above you to the moon, to the flow of the moon, just like the waves that are waving away from you, the same as the moon's energy that waves through us, these energy waves. And you're absorbing the moon's energy in the energy waves. It's absorbing into your waves. Each breath, part of it, flowing with it, not letting any breath go unnoticed, staying in each breath. Just coming back to the breath, just hearing the sounds, coming back to the waves. Awareness of the moon, the fullness of the moon when you've seen it full and when it is new. And just absorbing the waves of that energy. And with your out breath, I let go, I let go, I let go. And just with your in breath now, taking it higher and further from the top of your crown, the awareness of where the moon is, but also taking it out further than that, out to the galaxies where your crown is opening and aware and open to the source that you came from, to the energy that you are. It's flowing out and open, out through the galaxies, aware of the moon, aware of you sitting here on earth, and your crown is open. And through your crown, flowing down from the galaxies is this light, this beautiful light as well. It just flows down and through you. It's like a rainbow of light that flows through you. Just receive whatever color comes to you that's flowing through you. Just receive it flowing down through you into the earth as well. And you're receiving, you're being the receiver, you're receiving this energy. You're aware of the moon, you're aware of your waves of letting go, you're aware of the energy of the waves of the moon. And now you're visualizing a moon, a small beautiful moon, a long arm's width away in front of your heart, a very long arm's width away. This is part of your soul heart. It sits outside of you. Today it's part of the moon heart. There's a lot of silver light flowing through you to you. There's a lot of stillness and listening. You're still flowing each in-breath and out-breath. Flowing in, and as you flow out, the waves vibrate out to this moon heart of yours. Just imagining now one behind you, one arm's width behind the back of your heart. So there's two. There's one to the left now. There's three. One arm's width away, a moon heart. And to the right, 4. Above you, way above you, in the top of your crown, there's a 5th one. And join them up with a silver thread. And now one below your feet into the earth as well, with a silver thread. And all of these join in this geometric shape, holding you. And as you breathe in and breathe out, you expand your heart. It flows all to the sides of this geometric shape of moon, heart, front, sides, back, below, above. Lengthening your in-breath, lengthening your out-breath, expanding out to this heart. Feeling yourself held in this energy. Feel yourself absorbing this energy, receiving this energy, and letting go ever so naturally with your out-breath. And just feeling your heart filling up with gratitude and love. Feeling this connection to the moon heart that's in front of you. Knowing that your soul is pouring the light from the universe through to you as well as you receive it. Inhale and exhale. Just drawing in the energy from the earth, from the center of the earth, through the soles of your feet, and into this beautiful geometric shape of your moon heart. Just allow it to circulate all the way around you, through and out and away around your body, forming this beautiful shape. Now, just keep this flow going. Continue the flow, a continuous flow. Receiving of you flowing down and refreshes your earth energy and makes your body full of gratitude for earthly things. And the higher part of you, your soul part, is flowing this energy down through you and holding you in this moon heart. And you're drawing this energy from the cosmos as high as you because you understand that the heart rules this world, and that is where you find the answers far beyond why. And that's why you go there often. You go there to the heart. You're experiencing the heart just sitting outside of you, the energetic moon heart. Being aware and around your body, wherever it needs, just visualize it flowing. And just visualizing the earth energies and the celestial energies joining in a union, holding you in this heart moon energy. Feeling that energy in front of you of the heart moon. Knowing that you're able to be led by this energy at all times. Just taking another deep breath in now. You're starting to be aware of the soles of your feet and the palms of your hands. You're aware of your heart moon in front of you and the shape of the other heart moons all the way around holding you. Just sending out a wave of gratitude, a wave of love, a wave of connection to your heart, acknowledging that you follow from your heart, being aware of the soles of your feet, the palms of your hands, being aware of the light flowing down through you as you're receiving it, all the way down through into the earth again, coming back to the soles of your feet and the palms of your hands. And just staying with that beautiful heart in front of you, beautiful energy and crown wide open above you. One last breath there, coming back to the palms of your hands, awareness, the soles of your feet. Coming back to the soles of your feet, being aware of the surface that you're sitting on, being aware of the rest of your body, supported, connecting to earth, palms of your hands. Just taking a beautiful inhale now, holding it at the top, slowly releasing it. Breathing in from the base of your feet, taking the energy up to the top of your head. And as you breathe out, across your shoulders, down your arms, and out your fingers, aware of the palms of your hands. Next breath in, aware of the base of your feet, the soles of your feet. Taking the breath up, holding, slowly releasing it, across your shoulders, down your arms, and out your hands. And just taking a really long inhale. And as you're breathing out now, you're bringing your chin down, your head down. You're slowly looking down at the palms of your hands. And you're gently opening your eyes. And in your own time, coming back to the screen.
Thank you for the beautiful meditation.
Thank you.
So just to finish off, I still have a question. Any recommendations or advices how we can keep that connection with the heart, like throughout the day in our daily life, just to maintain that feeling of connection with the moon heart?
Yes, I think that every time you look up to the sky, it's a reminder, heart, heart. Come back to the heart, because the heart's the leader here on earth. We're here on earth. Look up, heart. So I just start to experiment with the heart out here, what that feels like out here.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. And we hope that you'll join our workshop in July. Like I said, I'll leave more information in the description box below. All right, bye.